Today we again solve a question and try to learn, or better say relearn, the basic concept of number system. We have a question 54321 minus k equal to n square, where k and n are positive integers. Then we have to find the minimum value of k plus n. Let's check how do we make perfect square by addition or subtraction of an integer. Take a number 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number we should add or subtract in 2, 3, 4, 5 so that the resultant value is a perfect square. For this, the one method is approximation, finding the square which is near to 2, 3, 4, 5. Some heat and trials will get the value. But the best method is the conventional method. In the conventional method, we find the nearest squares by finding the square root method. For this one, we have to make bundle of 2 from the right hand side. Then we have to write few values, the same value in the left hand side. Here we have to addition and the same value in the right hand side. The product of these two should comes in the middle value. Say if I write 3 and 3, this becomes 9. If I write 4 and 4, then the product is becomes 16. If we write 5 and 5, this becomes 25. So let's work on 4. We have written 4, 4 and 4, similar values in all three places. The summation is 8, the product is 16, then subtract, so we have 7 left out. After getting 7, place 45 in the right hand side of the 7. Then again we have to do same things. We have to write a number in the right of the 8, then the same number and same number. The product of these two should be closer to 745 but less than 745. So for this, if we place 9 and multiply 89 into 9, this should be greater than 745. Then we have to place 8. So we have 8, then 8. The summation is 96. And the product of 8 into 8 is 704. And we placed 8, so we have to write 8. The difference of these two is 41. This is the extra value. So if we subtract 41, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 41, we'll get a perfect square because this one is extra. And this is the perfect square of 48 square. Okay. If we have to add something, we say 48 is a. So next value should be the a plus 1 whole square. That is nothing but if we have to 2, 3, 4, 5 addition something would definitely give 49 square. So what this addition is, if a is 48, then a plus 1 square is a square plus 2a plus 1. So we have to think about 2a plus 1. In this chart, the best part is if we have 48, then the twice comes in the bottom. It's 96, but we want 2a plus 1. So we add 96 plus 1, which is nothing but 97, and see the difference between 97 and 41, which is 56. If we add 56 in our number, this will become the 49 square. What I am trying to convey, make this chart by the proper arrangement. The middle value is nothing but the value which we have to subtract to make a perfect square, and for the addition, that is 2a plus 1, add 1, then subtract to the middle value, that is 56 we have to add. Okay, we have seen the concept. Let's apply. Our number is 54321. We go for the same concept. Make bundle of 2. We are unable to make bundle of 2, so place 0. We have 0, 5, so we have 2, 2 and 2. Summation is 4, product is 4, subtraction is 1, then 43. We have to write a number so that the product is near to 143 but lesser than 143. So we place 3, 3 and 3 here. The summation is 46 and the product is 129. If we take the difference between 143 and 129, we will get 14. So again we have to place 21 near to 14 and we have to write a number. So again we write 3, 3 because the product of 463 and 3 is closer to 1421. That is nothing but 1389. The product of these two is 1389. Summation is 466 and this 3 should also place here. And the difference is 32. We have completed our square chart. So if we have to subtract anything, we have to subtract 32, and we need to subtract. So k is nothing but 32, and the value is n square is 233. N is 233, and we have to find the minimum value. So add both, we'll get 265. 265 is the minimum value of k plus n. I hope it is clear. If the question is 54321 plus k, if I say it's nothing but plus k, then what is the value of k? For the addition, we have 466 plus 1 is nothing but 467 minus 32, which is equal to 435. So if we have to add, then we have to add 435. Then for this plus quotient, k becomes 435 and n becomes this plus 1, and n becomes 234, and we'll solve k plus n again. If you have to find a perfect square by plus or minus, and there's a lot of hit and trial or approximations, then I'll say make this type of chart and get the value. This one is subtraction value, 2a plus 1 minus this subtraction value is the addition value. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, feel free to ping me either on Facebook or on this YouTube video thread. Thank you.